Hey guys, welcome back to Spot Audio channel. Now I will give you a tutorial how to clear all bookmarks on Twitter for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And now let's go to the start. First, we go to the Twitter application that you have been to install it before. Click on the Twitter. And after that, you can go to the symbol in the upper of the left corner. It means your profile picture of the Twitter. Click on and go to the bookmarks. And very simple step to do it. You can go to the three dots in the upper of the right corner. And the next step, the last for no at least, you can click the clear all bookmarks. And next, you can see there is a clear all bookmarks. This can be undone, and you'll remove all tweets you have added to your bookmarks. And click clear it. And now your bookmark is empty now. So it's very simple way to do it. Okay, this is a tutorial how to clear all bookmarks on Twitter for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention. And bye.